guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net. So I'm back again with another tutorial for you all. So in this video I will show you how you can sign up for Skype, the video calling software. Okay, so these days conference calling tools are really in demand and everyone is looking for a tool that they can use for making video calls or conference calls. Okay, so Skype can be the one tool for you. It is very easy to use and I will show you how you can sign up and create an account and start using it for making calls to your friends or for business meetings. So let's begin. Okay, you have to open a new tab and go to skype.com. Now here you will find two options. Okay, first is you can download the Skype app on your device by clicking on this option that you see right here on your screen, or if you don't want to do that, you can click on sign in here in the top right corner and click on use Skype online. Okay, so you have two options if you want to use the browser version or the app version. Now if you don't have an account, you can also click on sign up and create one. So we are going to create an account right now. So click on sign up. Now here you have to enter the phone number using which you want to create the account, or if you don't want to use the phone number, you can select the option use your email instead. Okay, so you can also use an email address to create the Skype account. Okay, so I am going to use my email address for creating the account. Now here you have to enter the email address. Okay, whatever email address you have, like Gmail, Yahoo, or any other email service. So enter the email and then click on next. Now you have to set a password for your Skype account. Okay, it should be a different password and it should not be the similar password that you use for your email account. Okay, so make sure you create a strong and unique password. So let's set the password for the account and then we will proceed. Click on next. Now here you have to just enter your first name and last name, very simple. Now your email address will be verified by Microsoft, so you must have received a code from them. Okay, so we will log into our email ID and then get the code from there and then paste it here. Okay, so in a new tab you have to log into your email address that you have just entered few minutes ago. Okay, so I am logging into my Gmail ID, so I'm already logged in. Okay, now here you can see the email from Microsoft. Okay, click on the email and get the code from there and paste it in the previous tab. So here is the code 2387. Just copy it and paste it there in the previous tab. Yes, here. Okay, and then click on next. So once your email gets verified, you will be asked to enter the code that you see on the screen to make sure a real person is creating this account. Okay, so this step is also very easy. Okay, so just enter the characters that you see on the screen and click on next. So signing into Skype, please wait, and that's all. I think the account has been created. Now we will see how you can use your Skype account. So first of all, you can choose your profile picture if you want to upload a picture, or you can just skip this step right now and do it later. Allow to use your microphone. Make sure to click on allow. So here are your microphone and speakers. You can conduct an audio test by clicking on this option, or you can make a free test call. Okay, So you can also make a free test call to Skype and they will check if everything is working fine, right? Now you can skip this or you can click on continue. Okay, find contacts easily. You can easily find your contacts by entering their details. Okay, let's see how we will do that. Now this is your account, Skype account. So here you can see few options. First one is meet now. Using this option meet now, you can even chat with the people, those who are not on Skype. Okay, so if one of your friends don't have a Skype account, don't worry, you can still invite them using the meet now feature of Skype. Okay, or you can simply go with the new chat option to do a chat with any of your contacts. You can test the chat service here, okay, with echo sound test service, or you can just look for the contacts. Here is the new contact add option. You can add the new contact from here. Okay, so just type in the name of your friend or the person you want to add and you will get a number of options. Check who you want to add and you see the option add in front of their name. Click on that. So that's all. You have sent a request to that person, you have sent a message. Now you have to wait for that person to accept your invitation. Okay, that was so easy. So that is their profile. You can send any handwritten message, you can type a message. Okay, you can make a video call to them and you can even make a audio call, right? So it is very simple to use a Skype account. So if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. And if you have any other suggestions for us, so you can mention that down in the comment box below. Okay, and if you have any feedbacks or if you want to make a video on any other technical issue, you can mention that too. Thank you for watching.